Alright, so here we have a 50mm square copper cable with a lug that needs to be crimped. I've already done this side. Very neatly done, I think. And I borrowed this thing, it's called a hydraulic crimping tool from my brother-in-law, and this is a beast. So I'm going to just crimp one of these lugs so you can see how this works, and it's a really cool tool. Alright, let's get the camera going somehow. That looks fine. Alright. Get the cable in, make sure it is the way it's supposed to be. That goes in there. Okay. Make sure everything is where it's supposed to be and start crimping. That looks good. Okay, let's just do a final check before I commit. That looks fine. Alright, now for the magic. There we go, almost done. One last squeeze for posterity. Good. And now, oopsie, that is a really pretty crimp. There you go.